Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing a scrapbook layout. Now I thought I'd use the scrapbook layout that comes with the Happiness Lives Here Cricut collection, so this one here. So I'll just show you on screen. So this is the one where we'll be cutting it out. As you can see, there's lots and lots of different pieces that go with it, but I reckon it's going to look really great when it's finished. So yeah, we'll get going and start making the layouts. Oh, and I'm going to be using craft paper as my base pages, just to give a bit of contrast between the white daisy as well, so you can still see this lovely pattern. Now I think I'm going to start with the second page first, and then I'll do that page because I think that's going to take the longest. Done. It's quite pretty. Little flowers at the top. Alright, so we're going to move on to the other page, page 1 really. It's just that one had a lot of flowers to put together, so we'll continue on with that. so that is the other page done. So that's both of these pages. I'll just bring in the other one again so you can see them. I'll put them side by side so you can see them. So I'll probably have a picture of these up on my Facebook page so you'll be able to go and have a look at them properly on my Facebook page. That is them there. Okay, so that's using the Happiness Lives Here Cricut collection. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, so thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate hitting that subscribe button. Alright, and don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Okay, bye!